What's good, y'all? We are back with another one. We are in Spring Valley right now at a fun little curb spot. Shout out to Ramiro, the homie. And yeah, I just wanted to do an on-shoe review of the Kyle Walker 2s. These things, I'm gonna say they've been my favorite, and I'm gonna tell you why. Okay, so for one, these shoes are my favorite because the comfort. This shoe is so comfortable. I'm flat-footed, so I need wide shoes. This strap allows you to either loosen it as much as you want or tighten it as much as you want. Maybe it could be better, but that's why, like, these coming out, we can help create another pair that's even better. I mean, hopefully Vans does that. I don't know. I haven't been able to find these anywhere. I got this pair probably back last summer, 2021, and I wore them first. I wore them like just for regular day fits, and then when I started skating in them, like, they were already broken into, I guess. That's why I like skating them so much. And there's an inner sock. Like, if you notice, here, let me take this off. This is an on-shoe review, but you know, you gotta show what's in it, what's included in it. So this right here, this is an inner sock. I thought it was just, you know, the elastic strap from like inside the shoe to the tongue area, but it's actually interlined the whole way through. So I really like that. I think it increases the comfort of the shoe. It also has a really strong insole. This insole, it's called Pop Cush. Yeah, mine has like cat hair, dog hair on it. We got dogs at the house, but yeah, anyways, this is a good shoe. This is a good shoe. I enjoy skating it. I'm gonna skate with them a little bit. I didn't want to talk too much about them. I just, you know, Vans, if you're listening, I would love if you guys brought these back. I don't know if they ever, you know, left the shelves, but I checked the outlets. I've checked my local Vans shoe store. I'm not finding them. So if you could bring these back, any colorway, all the colorways are dope. I'd love to try and skate them again. All right, that's it. I love y'all. Stay up. Peace. GoPro, stop recording. Also, I wanted to mention one other thing. I was skating these for 6 months. So, okay, actually I started skating them in October. So it's closer to 6-7 months because it's May. So yeah, these are really amazing shoes. These are. Just check out. I'm regular, so I skate the left the most. I use shoe goo. I could do another shoe goo tutorial, or you know, I could do a shoe goo tutorial if you guys would be interested. Let me know in the comments. I'll do a, like, how to apply shoe goo, or how I apply shoe goo personally. I skate them once without shoe goo, and it lets me know the areas, the problem areas that are gonna start creating holes. So skate them first, and then you put shoe goo over them. So let me know down in the comments if you do. Like, subscribe, all that. Love you. Peace.
Oh, fucking beast.